Hey there, Patriots. So in this video, we are going to talk about what a sphere is, and I am going to provide you with the formula to find the volume of a sphere. So basically, a sphere is a set of points that are all the same distance from a given point, and that distance is going to be r. The given point is going to be called the center. So here is the center, and then the distance from that point to the edge is r. That is going to be r right there, r. Basically, you can think of a sphere as a three-dimensional circle, right? Because a sphere is a solid. There's a couple interesting features about a sphere. A sphere has what we call a great circle. The great circle of a sphere is the largest circle that I can draw around it, because I can go in here if I wanted to. I don't really want to, but I could draw a bunch of smaller circles, at the top of the sphere, and I could draw a small circle at the bottom of the sphere. All of those work, but the great circle is the largest circle of a sphere. It is this circle right here. No circle gets any bigger. And this, when we draw in a chord, that chord always hits the great circle. I'm sorry, when we're drawing a diameter, this is a chord that always hits the great circle. Boom. There's my diameter, and it will always go to the great circle, because if I make it any smaller, well, it wouldn't go through the center, firstly, and secondly, it wouldn't be in the great circle. So the formula for volume of a sphere, volume of any sphere, is 4/3 times pi times radius cubed, where V is going to be my volume in cubic units, and R is the length of the radius in regular units, in just units. So volume, remember, is how much space the sphere occupies. So volume is all the good stuff I can throw into this sphere right here. Well, let's get this called. This is the volume. And then radius is the length from the center to the edge. So if we go from the center and we draw it out to the edge of the sphere, that, my friends, is the radius. So very easy formula. Just plug it in. There are only two variables, one for volume, one for radius, and that is it. So if you have any questions, make sure you jot them down, come in and ask your teachers. And Patriots, we will see you when we see you.